somebody's got a new logo. Reddit.
I know Reddit.
People who use Reddit are really passionate about it. And they have decided to rebrand. And their claiming is to unify their brand. But I also think it's because rumor has it they're going for an IPO this year. Reddit approached the one and only Pentagram.
Oh my God.
The new logo. Boom. So from the outside looking in,
Yeah.
it's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice.
Okay, so it's pretty nice. So you're like thinking, who could hate on this? And if I had no connection with Reddit at all,
Okay.
from a design standpoint,
Yeah.
it's a pretty big improvement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
But message bubbles, there isn't a single fucking message bubble anywhere on their sites. It's like it's a forum, right? It's not a messaging app.
Yes.
And so by using and pulling this little messaging bubble everywhere, it completely misses the mark on who uses Reddit and what the whole platform is about.
Right. This looks great, but nobody went to the website to actually see what the hell Reddit was. Yes.
So this is a situation where I'm really torn because unfortunately, although creatively, aesthetically, I think it did improve, but I think they missed the mark in thinking who the hell they were designing this
You're
for.
right. You're
And how
absolutely
it's
right.
being used.
Yeah. and how it's
ultimately.
being used.
Let us know if you think that the new Reddit logo is dope or nope. Peace.